And welcome back to the Jackie's channel, where all the tech tips are shared with you. Well, put it aside, recently there's a hot topic. Something just came up to take over all programmers. My goodness, if is that powerful, what could that be? I wonder. So I'm gonna be out of job soon, huh, I guess. Well, actually, it's none other than ChatGPT, which is a recent hot topic about the capabilities to create programs, to communicate with you, and so forth. Well, today let's go through some tutorials regarding about how you can use that and to your benefits. First off, ChatGPT is an open AI source, which is originated from our dear mentor or our dear master, which is Elon Musk. Okay. Elon Musk is one of the best entrepreneurs in the whole wide world. And again, just like all of us, we're engineers, programming engineers. And here he created this OpenAI channel where we can find lots of stuff. Now, putting that aside, you can use ChatGPT to what's light mode, dark mode, either way, white is fine. Your choice, your preference. You could also connect with the OpenAI Discord, which I've opened down here, and all you have to do is just click on it and accept invitation, and you're being invited. There you go. Okay, and once you're invited, I'm guessing that you can chat on topics, talk to people regarding about the OpenAI communities, as well as getting into the most hot topics about OpenAI itself. Okay, now, oh, there we go. It's loading pretty fast, I would say. Verification, you must complete some steps, and once you complete, there we go. Submit. I've agreed. Oh, no spamming, okay, guys? No self-promotion, no spamming, okay? So do say hi. Access OpenAI, verify. And then, hello human, let's find out. Please type the catch below. Able to access the catch is answer NP OVM PJ. What's that? OVM PJM. PJM and submit. Oh no, that's wrong. My goodness. Okay, type out the traced color words. Should be right. Oh, it's 0. There we go. 0 V M P G 0 M V P J M P J M and P J M, and should be it. Password, you cannot access OpenAI. There you go. Okay, I'm a friend of OpenAI now. Okay, that's great. Okay, you cannot access OpenAI. There you go. Awesome. Okay, so you could start talking to people. And oh, also, if you are interested in Supercat NFTs, you can chat with me down here. Okay, so you can add me in, at any point in time. Now coming back, direct message, OpenAI. There we go. Now, it should be up soon once they have done the discussions and so forth. But coming back now, there are updates and FAQs. There are also conversations that are already being displayed. Some examples. So as one is saying, train to decline inappropriate requests, allow users to provide follow-up corrections. Remember what users said earlier in the conversation. And the most important part is you could use explain quantum computing in simple terms. What is that? That sounds very degreeable stuff. Well, let's see what happens if I do choose this selection. Oh, too many requests in too many hours. Now, this is one bad error. Now, you could click this bad. Okay, it means this isn't true. Then submit this and then try this out again. Okay, try this out. Okay, let's see how it works. I've changed the server. Now let's see whether if it works. It should come up with, there you go. Quantum computing is a type of computer which uses quantum mechanics, a branch of physics, store process data. They're different from classic computers, which use transistors. Wow, these are very science degree stuff. I would say Okay, I myself wouldn't even use that, put it this way. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is very complex stuff. Okay, how about, well, recently I did a topic about programming languages, right? Let's see. What is Java? Okay, so what are the codes for Java for e-commerce site using JavaScript? There you go. See what happens. There are many different ways using the specific code. You need the requirements, and you choose to use some common things that include adding products, gateways, displaying, filtering, and so forth. It's pretty decent, I would say. React, Angular, Vue. Yes, React. There you go. It does say what you need, right? Adding products, implementing gateway. So let's do this, okay? Adding products to a JavaScript and then data. We carry on from this, okay? Adding products to Java, updating the cart total. There you go. To add a product to a shopping cart using JavaScript, you can follow these steps. Create a function to add the product to the cart. This function can be called the add to the cart. Okay, that's interesting. They really give you the steps on how to do it. Here are some codes examples. Okay, nice. Okay, they even provide us with codes, as you guys can see. For example, function, add to cart. Okay, this is JavaScript for sure. Yeah, because JavaScript ends with the dot comma. With our product, it creates a product, the name of the product, the price of the product, the quantity. So we can change that. If localized, JavaScript via cart, JSON.phrase, cart the push button, local storage. It's very clear. It even shows you how to iterate over the products in the cart and add their prices in total. That's cool. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, creates a function, it calculates top, display it on top. You can call add to the cart function, document get element ID. Okay, nice, cool. So in order to create another function, I could create a document, add to the function, cart button, add event listener. This is nice. Okay, good. Okay, now how about, okay, we tried JavaScript, right? It's pretty detailed, I would say, you see? So how about if I do it on React.js? Okay, let's see. Error. React.js, and there you go. Let's see what happens. Using React, you can follow these steps. Create a cart component, create a product component. Nice. Add to the cart button, and when the cart has been ended, this method should update the component state and reflect the next item. This is nice. In the product zone component, now it's pretty very detailed on the steps. So do they provide codes? Oh, yes, they do. Awesome. Okay, import React, use state React constant. This is nice. And as you guys know, in React.js, it's slightly a bit different. You have to create constants. You have to return the value as well, whatever functionality that you created. It's very clear. I would say it's coding out better than me, I would say. Okay. Yep. Nice. Okay. It even tells you how to create the product component. Something very crucial. Okay. And use cart, components. Now it's now accumulating into the application. So all those I've created for cart and product, it will be able to put into the app itself. That's nice. Okay, good. Okay. Why not? Let's try something. Okay. How about creating a Swift UI button that, okay, I'm pretty specific now, okay? Modular. So, as you guys know, Swift UI has a button that could be created under a model version, and you'll be able to transit over. So let's see whether if they can code that, okay? This model and transits smoothly along with gradient colors. Okay, let's try this out. Okay, now my next request would be about colors, creating a Swift UI button that is modular. So let's see what happens if they can do Swift UI. Oh my goodness, they're good. Gradient background modifier, transition data, views on view. This is a model view. They did it. Okay, my goodness. Linear gradient, yes. And the colors, specific start from the top to the bottom. If we have a content view, then the button is tapped. It sets its model. Oh my goodness. And applies the gradient. Okay, finally we add transition to the button, transition slider. This causes the model view. Oh my goodness, this is very specific. Okay. If I were to type this out, it would take me about half an hour. Frankly speaking, okay? Frankly speaking, I need to think about the modifier. I also need to think about the sheet, whether it's presented in a model way. Then I need to create a model view, which is down here, which is a struct, okay? And then I need to call it back, okay, down here, because again, this is named as a content view, so I need to display it by content view, okay, at the bottom as well. Okay, see what happens. I'm gonna break it up. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, now here, shorts for machine for identifying images in Python. Let's see what happens. There's several ways to identify images in Python. There's some options using the pillow library. Okay, it provides even the extensions. Okay, it even tells you about the description, whether what type of oh, okay, this is nice. Print image, open CV library. That's nice. It's pretty cool. Provides support for reading and writing. CV2. Oh, CV2 is more like a document that has been compiled, similar in the sense of Excel. FYI, just to let you guys know. Yeah. So what else? What else is it suggesting? Okay, using the imperial model. My goodness, this is nice. Okay. Using the magic modular. The magic modular is a Python wrapper. Nice. Magic dot from file. Okay, this is another option. So wrapper in the library. Okay, good. Okay, that's nice. I didn't know Python was that good. Okay, now it provides it, but it's not very detailed. So you do need to take note about being specific when you're providing about the descriptions of the codes that you want. Just like what I did previously on the Swift, you should be able to identify what you want for your button itself. Okay, now coming back. Now, what else can we do other than coding? Okay, maybe, well, changing the server. See if it works. Okay. Now let's try it out. Okay, poem for my girlfriend. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Here's a poem for your girlfriend. Roses red, violets are blue. I am so lucky to have a girlfriend like you. You make me laugh. You make me smile. You make my heart skip a beat. Every once in a while. I love the way you hold me and the way you kiss my cheek. Oh my goodness. Okay, can it get more, even more? Okay. How about this? Shakespeare. This is so good. I spelling Shakespeare. Okay, there we go. Shakespeare for. Oops. Let's do this again. I forgot about refreshing. My bad. So there are too many devices going around using this right now. OpenAI, right? Shakespeare poem for my dear wife, please. There we go. See what happens. Certainly, here's a Shakespeare sonnet. It's appropriate. Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? Thou art more lovely and more temperate. Rough winds do shake the darling buds of May. My goodness, this rocks. Do a business contract. Okay, now let's see if it works. Okay, so again, I'm going into the channel. and I'm going to identify and see if I'm able to input that. Okay, sample business agreement with shareholders. There you go. Let's see what happens. Business agreement with it typically covers issues such as rights and responsibilities. Okay, there we go. Sample outline, purpose, definitions, shareholders. It's very clear on that one. Rights and responsibilities about shareholders. That's so cool. Management and governance. This is nice. This section outlines the procedures for making decisions, electing directors, and appointing officers. This is very nice. Okay, good. This is very nice. It's recommended to seek the advice of the... I don't need to hire a lawyer now. I can just practically use this. This is so slick and so nice. Okay, good. Okay. I bet it cannot create a conversation. How about that? Okay, do you guys want to see it do a conversation with us? So I think it's going to do lots of stuff, but I don't think it can do a conversation. Okay, let's try it out. Okay, now I'm going to open up again and let's see if I can strike a conversation with it. Okay, so I'm going to ask, how are you today? See what happens. As an artificial intelligence, I don't have feelings or emotions like humans do. However, I'm really Okay, and so it does not have emotions. It's an artificial intelligence. I like you. How about that? Acting. And let's see what happens again in the chat room. There we go. I like you. Let's see what happens with that. Thank you for your kind words. As an AI, I don't have personal feeling. It's pretty much about the same thing that what it just said. So it's an artificial intelligence. So guys, I hope today I helped you out a bit. Okay, I bet it can do a lot of things and can benefit us. But again, it's an artificial intelligence, not human. So my guess is yes, it might be good at coding. Yes, it can code, but again, for programmers like us, we analyze the codes. We need to identify situations and input various things. For example, the product keys and so forth. Unless artificial intelligence has reached to such a specific stage, I think it will not take the jobs that you are having right now. Maybe at a later stage, maybe 5 to 10 years down the road, but my guess is not at the moment. Okay, so guys, don't have to worry about that. But again, we do need to be precautious about this one. And also, with AI around, again, as a programmer, the way I see it, I'm willing to bend the knee because it's able to help me a lot in terms of saving time. Because in the past, I would take up a few days to code up a full entire Swift UI project, which with its help, it might be about a day or two. Maybe for a set of codes, 5 minutes tops, instead of having an hour to brainstorm and having hiccups on the codes. So I personally would prefer using this chat. So yeah, the link is down below. If you guys have any questions, do give me a comment. And if you fancy this kind of video, do drop some comments about it, and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you and see you guys.